Hello everyone, my name is Yagnesh and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn another example of parent selector. But before we start, don't forget to check out our Instagram page and thank you for your love and support on our previous video. So let's start with the demo. So if you see that in this demo, we have two cards. Okay, in the first card, we have a card image, card content, and inside the card content, we have a card action. Okay, and in this card action, we have just single link. Okay, so if the single link is that I want to display my content something like this way, but in the second video, if you see that in the card action we have a different section called start and end, and in the start section we have a heart icon and another thing is that share icon, while in the end section we have a ellipsis icon, right? So what I want to do is here, if we have a multiple icons, multiple links, then I want to display something like this way, right? So you know that, right? In order to achieve this thing, we used to add an extra class which is class modifier, and in this class modifier we have to apply the style something like this way, display flex and justify content like this way. So now as you know that in the parent selector we don't require any extra class, so I'm going to remove that class, and so I'm removing that CSS as well. So now what I can do is, if what I want to do is here, if the card action has a start and end div, both the divs are there, then I want to apply this style. So what I can do is I can write like this way: if the card action has start comma end. So that means if the card action has start and end, both the class are available, then this particular style will apply to the card action. So if you see that here, I'll write here display flex and justify content space between, and you can see that I get my output as per my requirement. So that's it in this video, and please share, like and subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.